फातोर्डेत बऱ्यो साधन सुविधा आसात, मात मडगांवांत वतले जाल्यार जागोच ना। विकसीत भारत सभा मडगांव आयोजीत जावचेचे आमदार दिगंबर कामतीक लेगीत दिसना काय असो प्रश्न फातोर्डेचो आमदार विजय सरदेसायन उप्रासलो। आता मोदींच्या सभेक लागून तरी मडगांव कदम बस स्थानकाक नवें रूप मेळटा, नाजाल्यार इतली वर्सां जनावरांचो गोठोच कसो तो उबो आसा। प्रधानमंत्र्यांच्या दौऱ्याचे निमित्त साधून फातोर्डेच्या विजयान मडगांवचो आमदार दिगंबराचेर खर टिका केली।
Why does the PM come to Fatorda only? Because Fatorda is having the best infrastructure. They can't go anywhere else. You think Digambar Kamat wouldn't have wanted him to come to Margao? He would have wanted him, but he can't go there. You can't enter in because Margao is crumbling. What he will show? Crumbling buildings, government buildings about to fall or which have fallen. No. So Fatorda has got solid infrastructure. That is why they keep coming. I want him to keep coming because Anga Vikasit Bharat hai. He wants to exhibit Vikasit Bharat, means a developed India. This bus stand is not a symbol of developed India. It is a symbol of a cowshed where the people have been tolerating this nonsense for so long. I do hope and I pray that the government gets a good wisdom that in this place, which has been going to be the site for the exhibition, they actually have a good developed bus stand. And to bus stand आमकां Disney World, 5-star hotel बी कांय नाका. आमकां एक प्रॉपर सादो बस स्टँडूच आसल्यार पुरो. तें तरी हातून जर प्रायम मिनिस्टराच्या विजिटाचें मागीर जालें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी बस स्टँडाचेर विकसीत जाले. एटलीस्ट दॅट मच मिनिमम वी हॅव अचीव्ड.